Something big is happening to the PMP exam, and most candidates preparing right now have absolutely no idea about it. PMI is officially integrating AI into the PMP certification, not as a bonus topic, but as a core competency woven throughout the entire exam. And in this video, we are going to break down exactly what is changing, why it matters, and what you need to do right now to stay ahead. Let's get into it. Hello and welcome. If you are preparing for the PMP exam or planning to sit for it in 2026, what you are about to learn could completely change your study approach. PMI has released a major update to the PMP examination content outline effective July 2026, and AI is now a formal part of what project managers are expected to know and apply. We are going to walk through what this actually means for you, step by step. So stay with us. Let us start with the why, because understanding the reason behind this change makes everything else make sense. PMI conducts a job task analysis, or JTA, every few years to find out what skill project managers actually need on their job today. The 2025 JTA surveyed thousands of project practitioners, PMO leaders, recruiters, and industry experts globally. And the findings were very clear. AI has moved from a buzzword to an everyday tool in how projects are planned, executed, and monitored. PMI's own talent gap report states that up to 30 million more project professionals will be needed globally by 2035. But those professionals need to be different from project managers of 10 years ago. They need to be more comfortable making decisions alongside AI tools, interpreting AI-generated insights, and managing teams that work in AI-assisted environments. So the 2026 PMP examination content outline now includes AI as an explicitly integrated competency across all three domains: people, process, and business environment. And that is exactly what you need to prepare for. So what does AI integration actually look like in the exam? Based on the 2026 examination content outline published by PMI, here is what candidates will encounter. In the process domain, you will see questions about using AI tools to support planning, scheduling, risk analysis, and project monitoring. PMI is not asking you to build AI models or write code. It is asking whether you understand how to apply AI-generated data, recommendations within the project management processes. In the people domain, you will face questions about leading teams that work with AI tools, managing the human side of AI adoption, and addressing stakeholder concerns about AI in project delivery. In the business environment domain, AI shows up in strategic alignment questions. How do you evaluate business impact of AI-driven project decisions? How does AI affect compliance, governance, and value delivery? In every case, PMI is testing your judgment, not your technical AI skills. The question is never how to build an algorithm. The question is, given this AI-assisted situation, what does a competent project manager do next? And we think that this is a very exciting shift in how the exam works. Here is what just changed about the PMP exam that most people do not know yet. PMI has officially integrated AI into the 2026 PMP examination content outline effective July 2026. AI is not a separate topic. It is woven into all three domains: people, process, and business environment. You will not be asked to build AI tools. You will be asked how a project manager uses AI-generated insights to make better decisions, lead teams through AI-assisted workflows, and align AI use with organizational strategy. If you are preparing for PMP in 2026, start familiarizing yourselves with how AI is being used in real project environments. That practical understanding is exactly what PMI is looking for. And hey, if you found that useful, do not forget to save this video for later. Beyond AI, let us cover all the key structural changes to the July 2026 PMP exam so you are fully prepared, because there is a lot to know here. The exam now has 185 questions, up from 180. The total exam duration increases to 240 minutes from 230 minutes. However, the 2 scheduled breaks are now 5 minutes each, reduced from 10 minutes each. So while you have slightly more total time, your rest window is shorter. Stamina management becomes even more important on exam day. The domain weightings have also shifted significantly. Business environment grows from 8% to 26%. Process shifts from 50% to 41%, and people moves from 42 to 33%. The message here is clear. PMI wants project managers to think more strategically about organizational context, value delivery, and business impact. Additionally, the balance between predictive and adaptive approaches has changed. Agile and hybrid questions now make up approximately 60% of the exam, while predictive or waterfall-based questions account for 40%. If you have been spending most of your study time on traditional project management, it is time to rebalance your preparation. PMI will make updated study resources available from April 14th, 2026. The new exam officially launches in July 2026. So how should you prepare? We have got 3 practical steps for you right here. First, download and read the PMI's 2026 exam content outline. It tells you exactly what tasks and enablers are now tested and where AI appears across these 3 domains. This is your study Bible for the new exam. Second, practice scenario-based questions that involve AI-assisted decision-making. Think about questions like, your AI risk tool has flagged 3 new risks not in the original register. What do you do first? That is the type of applied judgment PMI is testing. And the more you practice it, the more natural it becomes. Third, and this one is really important, choose a training provider whose curriculum is already updated for the 2026 exam. Studying from the outdated material is one of the biggest risks a PMP candidate can take right now. So make sure your training reflects where the exam is actually going. So to recap, PMI has integrated AI throughout the 2026 PMP exam content outline effective July 2026. The business environment domain has jumped from 8% to 26%. The exam now has 185 questions over 240 minutes, and agile and hybrid approaches account for approximately 60% of the exam content. Now, if you want to prepare with a training provider that is fully aligned with the latest exam content, we recommend Techademy's PMP certification training. As a PMI Premier Authorized Training Partner, Techademy's curriculum is aligned with the current PMP exam content guidelines and PMBOK 8th edition standards. With 36 hours of live training, more than 2,000 questions as part of the question bank, and a mentor-guided study plan, you are in great hands. Check the link in the description. If this video helped you, please subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments. Are you planning to take the current exam before July or the new one after? We would love to know. See you in the next video.